Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rusty Belt here. That's a little better. Just got into the Racine area, and I'm going to be driving south through here. It's about 10 minutes after 7, Wednesday, February 12th of 2025. I just pulled over in this parking lot that's by Highway 32 and 4 Mile Road, which is to the left of the screen where it's dark. You can't see anything. That's a dead Kmart building that had been in Racine since the 80s or early 90s maybe. That went out of business a couple years ago. And then you got a strip mall that's got Papa John's, a couple of little restaurants and stuff, and then Pick and Save over here, the big store. No, it's pretty much, I wouldn't call this a full-on blizzard, but severe winter storm warning for the area right now. They were forecasting like 5 to 7 inches in Racine and Kenosha being kind of the worst of it, so. And I'd say, I'm not sure, I'm coming from Milwaukee and I'm heading south, so I'm not sure how far south I'm going to go. We'll see how long everything takes here, but I see a guy plowing the parking lot in front of me there. No, it's still coming down pretty good, and we've definitely probably got 5-6 inches already, so let's see how it looks driving the roads of Racine during a big winter storm. Biggest one of the year, even though it's not that big by Wisconsin standards, but I don't recall getting like a foot in the last couple of years now. Maybe 3 or 4 years ago we had a couple that were pretty heavy. But, so yeah, I'm pulling on to Douglas Avenue, Highway 32, State Highway 32. What I'm actually going to do, instead of just going straight into town, I'm in Caledonia now, which is north of Racine, south of Oak Creek. I'm going to head down 4 Mile Road eastbound, which will take us to, I know I'm basically running a red light, but everybody is here, so. Yeah. The roads are not good, but there's not much traffic out, so it's not really what I would call dangerous. If there was a lot of traffic with road conditions like this, that's not a good thing, you know, but like I said, it's a little after 7 right now, so. But now this will take us right to the Lake Michigan shore. We're heading into Wind Point. I've filmed this exact stuff before. It's an area I like, really pretty area actually. But yeah, heading east on 4 Mile Road right now, heading toward Wind Point and Lake Michigan. You can see that the road is covered edge to edge with snow, but the condition of it's not bad. Just gotta mind your P's and Q's, if you will. I've lived in Wisconsin all my life, so I'm used to this. I've been in much worse and much less capable vehicles, let's say. Driving a little less than 30 miles an hour right now, to put that in perspective. It's a 35 that people tend to speed through a lot normally over here, so. Yeah, so we got the Casey's to the left. So it's going to be Charles Street right here. The intersection's a little dicey. But we got through it. Looks like we got either a snowplow or salt truck up ahead of us there. You can probably see that on the camera. Just a gorgeous area around here. Very nice houses, kind of woodsy. Definitely doesn't feel like you're in town, you know. Yeah, so storm came through. It's supposed to keep on snowing for a few, depending on how it moves, from a few to several more hours in this area. And the stuff right along Lake Michigan from like Chicago to north of Milwaukee was supposed to be the areas that got the most snowfall, and like the Racine, Kenosha area was supposed to kind of be the peak of it all. That last night they closed all the schools for the day ahead of time, and a bunch of other stuff is closed right now. After we run through Wind Point and get back into the city, we'll see what it looks like as far as if stuff is open, and so far it looks like everything's open as far as businesses go, so that would be normally at least this time of night. You got the Johnson's, whatever you want to call it, business compound. It's called Wingspread. Just to the right of us here. Not literally to the right of us right here, but this is Main Street right here. They're calling that County Highway G now. It's kind of end of G. Road's a little bit more clear. We're officially, I think, in Wind Point now. Wouldn't surprise me that the road is more clear here, because this is a very pricey property, very exclusive area to live in. Kind of the elite of the whole Racine area, if you will. Yeah, now we're that Johnson's Wingspread complex is to the right of us here now. It's corporate stuff for Johnson's Wax, S.C. Johnson. Sam Johnson, who founded the company, or was either the founder or second generation, I don't remember. He actually lived not far from here. We'll go past where his old house was in a minute. I'm just going to cut down one. This is Hunt Club Drive. Just going to cut down here. Cut down Hunt Club. Gotta be careful there, Bob. Yeah, it's plowed up and looking pretty nice. These are really gorgeous houses. I don't know how well you can see, but all nicely taken care of. I'm not even sure is here, but basically just get out of back to 4 Mile. Oh, this is just a little turnaround. Yeah, this wasn't here several years ago, so newer construction, couple of McMansions, all by themselves. Little roundabout. Lots of pine trees. Yeah, I don't think we really got messed around with the side streets right now. Take Hunt Club Drive back to 4 Mile Road. Again, if it was light out and you could see things better, this is just a completely gorgeous neighborhood around here. Very nice. Probably if I had my choice of living anywhere in Racine and suburbia, it'd probably be right around here somewhere close to the lake on the north side of town. So this is 4 Mile Road. Gonna turn left, so we'll be heading eastbound again. We're very close to the Lake Michigan shore at this point. Only a few blocks away from Lake Michigan. It's a little slippery right here. Wheels are spinning a little bit. snowfall might be a little bit heavier when we get right to the lake shore. I'm not sure. It's not a heavy snow going on right now, but it's steady though. It's still accumulating. It's 28 degrees according to the vehicle that I'm currently in, so which isn't a lot of times it's right at freezing when it snows in this area, especially really close to the lake, like 30, 31, 32 degrees. It's 28 right now, like I said. We don't get a lot of snow around here when it's really cold out. That's kind of rare. We're getting very close to the lake. It's going to be like a 90-degree curve ahead of us here. We'll be taking that real slow because that's kind of a dangerous spot even when the roads aren't like this. You can see they got the speedometer thing up there. Can't really see the road all that good with all the snow either, so this is, wouldn't advise anybody whipping through here right now. I'm only going about 12 miles an hour right now, so that's what my car says at least. My vehicle down then, that is. Yeah, it's definitely blowing in off the lake. We're driving parallel to the Lake Michigan shore about, I don't know, 1,000 feet inland right now. You can't see any water because it's dark out, but we're right here. To the left of me right here is where Sam Johnson used to live, S.C. Johnson, so big mansion that was right near the lighthouse. This is the Wind Point Lighthouse right here. If it's not too bad, I'll pull in here. It's probably decent because they have a little police substation for the Wind Point cops. Doesn't look like it's been plowed. Oh boy. That's not that bad. I'm definitely the only car or vehicle that's been through here in a while though. There's like one tire track that's faint, that's it. Yeah, you can see the lighthouse up ahead there. Actually looks really cool with the snow falling and stuff. Yeah. And there's like a little like maintenance shed building with a couple bathrooms and stuff, and then you got a Wind Point police vehicle, and they use the house that is the lighthouse as, you know, basically like office space, headquarters if you will, for Wind Point, who does have their own police department, because like I said, Wind Point is full of money, so they have it all. Alright. Excuse me. Alright, so we're heading out. This is called Lighthouse Drive, the road that I was just on that I'm heading back to here. There's some really nice houses kind of dotted around the area that you can see, or probably can't see very good because it's dark, but. And then when I turn left here, so we're going to be heading southbound again, we're going to be coming up to Shoup Park, which is a park that has a golf course. I mean, it is a golf course. I mean, it's not really a park so much as a golf course, but they have a parking lot that overlooks the lake up on a little bit of a cliff. That it's a popular place for people to just chill in their cars and observe the lake. I did notice, I don't know if you saw that, that's an actual Village of Wind Point plow that went past us, so they got their own plows too. They really take care of their own business over here. Yeah, so we're driving. That's a Shoup, S-H-O-O-P, one of the founders of Racine is where the name comes from. Shoup golf course on both sides of the road.